Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Covalent API requests, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Covalent API requests, you need to follow a few simple steps. First, visit the Covalent website to create an account if you don't have one already. Once registered, log in to your account. Navigate to the API settings page to generate your API key. Make sure to copy your API key, as you will need it for authentication. Open your preferred code editor or API testing tool. When making a request to the Covalent API, ensure you include the API key in your headers. The header should look like this: authorization, bearer your _API _KEY. Replace your _API key with the actual API key you copied earlier. Now, choose the endpoint you wish to access, such as token balances or historical data. Construct your API request using the relevant endpoint URL. Include any necessary parameters in your query string. Make sure to format your request properly to match the Covalent API specifications. Send the request using a method like GET or POST, depending on the endpoint. Check the response from the API to verify that your authentication was successful. If your request is successful, you will receive a JSON response with the data you requested. If there's an error, review your API key and request structure for any mistakes. With these steps completed, you can now integrate Covalent API into your applications. Remember to keep your API key secure and never share it publicly. This will ensure safe and efficient use of Covalent's data services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.